But I know you know better. Yo, me no want nobody around with me for me. In my comment section where there, I see a man show my forward for Instagram, I mean, I'm boxers. A man a come talk about me name, I show a brief. Hey, don't play with me. Don't play with me. Yo, what's the lighter for me?
Feel like me a ramp with you know. Feel like a ramp, me a ramp with you know. I have a Versace robe. Robe, you know. I don't want to say me shaky. And me see a man come out in a Versace brief.
Okay, boom, viewers, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not for from Kingmixup, it's not credible, and you already know the deal, my babes. Me there yourself, I tell you no what I go on for not to go on, you see me, so obviously it's the Dancehall King Vybz Kartel responding to the chichi man out there, so who I look upon him underwear, and I say I want brief and a boxers, and me now. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Problem in the comment section, you know, because Foota hype just seems to can't get enough of Vybz Kartel. And every chance him get to want to try and diss him, because I'm saying I don't know how Vybz Kartel embarrass himself, and I'm not seeing how Vybz Kartel can embarrass himself in a $1.5 million US house. And when him a wind up himself for a woman follower them, so me don't know why the man them so in tune with the man waistline. But nevertheless, let's hear why Foota hype is vexed and proceed to the next.
Feel like me a ramp with you know. Feel like a ramp, me a ramp with you know. When you think this is a game, when you feel like when me attack a joke me a run, when you think a joke business this, as the youth when name I Show Speed left Jamaica, something a gonna happen down there. Who remember that? Who remember that? Who remember that? I say I don't know how long it take. I don't know if it take a week, a month, a year, I don't know how long. But after I'm left, something is going to happen. When you hear the magnitude of earthquake where like Jamaica, I don't not hear about it. Someone don't not hear about it yet. Why don't you think when me I did this thing here, you have some people love to talk about, oh, Foota, you're going live because you're bored and you have nothing to do and you want to entertain yourself. Me not look Clout on this. If me that look Clout at different things would have. You'd have see me a wear tights. You'd have see me a put on wig. You'd have see me a wiggle up myself to try to get people to pay attention to me. You'd have see me a go naked. You see me a go naked? You know see people are go naked that crash out. Naked. You know, woman wear and all kind of thing. Me not do them something there. Me not do them something there. So how me feel look Clout? Who knows to say a mission me depend? Me not run joke. The only person who come talk up for Uno, me fi dead. Me fi dead, you know. Foota hype fi dead. Because me not show no flashy car and me not show no helicopter and me not tell lies say me buy house every week. Are the people that we lie to no love, you know? A man come out every minute saying buy a house and run with it. Oh God, him rich, he's so rich. And then no sense, you know, don't like that. You don't know say a house can't buy so. And also house buy. You understand? Every minute them put up a car and take it down back. You don't see the car them again. But when you say, oh them rich they put on have so much car. Me not have so much car for you. Cause me not put up no lie and take no picture and put up no lie and show no. But a me you know want kill. Me have a Versace robe. Robe, you know. I don't want to say me shaky. And me see a man come out in a Versace brief. I don't know say nothing. The same people that may cuss me. Say me have a Versace robe. And I defend that man. The man come out in a brief. I want to still alright with it. I want to try to say me shaky. Me have an advice for you. Stay away from drugs. People, stay away from drugs. Nothing wrong with weed, you know. Weed alright. Weed alright. Weed alright. Stay away from drugs. Me never see somebody embarrass themselves so yet in my life. I'm just the person who talks what everybody else afraid for talk. Oh, no what? Him same fans them, you know. Want cuss Foota say Foota in a Versace robe. But them not a problem with him in a Versace brief. Boy, my mother, yo. Yo, if me I go rich and end up mad and lose myself, me nobody want rich a pussy Clout.
So, even though Foota hype didn't call no name, as you can see in the comment section, people really figure it out when I talk about the boxers. Because the video didn't go viral and everybody do a video about Kartel and them boxers. You see me, I say. But me not see nobody do the video about the $5 million house. You see me? But nevertheless, Vybz Kartel said them stress and he has something for you to watch. Yes, him and say them is planning on doing a reality show.
St. Vincent. The last time I did St. Vincent, I mean a wife ago.
That was, yeah.
That was years.
No, that was months.
Oh, people, and the reality show is coming. The reality show is coming. Vybz Kartel, and see them, I think near Addy and City. Look out for it, it I got sick.
He's Addy and I'm City.
Yeah, me and Addy and share City. Just in
case.
To avoid the confusion. Yeah. Yeah, man, we're outside. So the girl them ever ask where we see them, I can't see them. Yo, I can't see the girl them ask where we see them. Yeah, Vybz Island I got sick. People getting a ticket from now at the maddest thing. Vybz Island. 2 big floating islands, some giant cruise ship. We're outside next year. You understand? God willing, because remember when I left God out and nothing. Yeah.
Yeah, anyway, people, don't forget to check out these next suggested videos in the zip on the screen. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I suggest you do so and turn on the notification bell. Therefore, you'll be notified when I drop the latest in dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.